How to fix Assassin's Creed Origin not opening. The very first thing you want to do is to install the latest patch. Since many technical problems can be resolved by restarting, it never hurts to restart your computer and your game. Often, this will be enough to fix the error. Well, the game developer always keep releasing patches to improve their game and fix any issues, so you should manually check for updates of your game. Then install the latest patch to keep it up to date. Now the next thing you want to do is roll back your graphics card driver. In order to do so, on your keyboard, press the Windows logo key and R at the same time to evoke the run box. Type dvmgmt.msc and click OK. Double-click Display Adapters and double-click on GT640. Click the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver. Then follow the on-screen instruction to restore your graphic card driver. Once it has been done, open Assassin's Creed Origin and see if it works. Well, if you're still facing the issue, then what you want to try doing is update your graphics card driver to the latest version. Once all of them has been updated, restart your computer to take the effect. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Assassin's Creed Origin not opening. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.